If you see a tornado approaching, your first instinct should be to find shelter. The most dangerous tornadoes are classified as EF5s, capable of tossing cars like toys and tearing homes from their foundations. Imagine standing outside as one of these monsters roars through with clouds swirling and chaos unfolding. One infamous tornado devastated Joplin, Missouri in 2011, changing countless lives in mere minutes. In an instant, normalcy vanished as communities faced the aftermath of nature's fury. Remember, when the sky turns green and the winds pick up, it's time to seek shelter. Nature can be frightening, but understanding its power helps us stay safe.